What's up guys, Mike Vo here, your modern Asian dad. Today I am going to talk about Rakuten. I'm going to talk about what it is and how I make money, how much I made, and how you can make money off of it also. So first thing, what is Rakuten? Basically, here it goes. They are a company where stores pay a commission for sending members to shop at their website. Basically, Rakuten has all these stores, and you shop through the portal, and then you pay like how you would pay, and then you get a small percentage back on your order. For example, if you shop at, for example, here right now there's 2x cash back with Nike. You get 12% cash back right now. It used to be 1.5%. So I am logged into my Rakuten account, and let me show you guys how much I got paid so far since I started in July of 2016. So I made about $606 as my lifetime cash back. So basically, I've been buying almost everything through Rakuten to save a little bit of money, okay, throughout all these years. If you use my code, which is the link in the description, you will get $30 as a bonus. So meaning you have to spend $30 and then you get a $30 bonus on your Rakuten check. So you're paid every 3 months. So you can shop for 3 months, shop through the Rakuten portal, and then it will add up, and then you get paid out. Okay, so here are some people that signed up, but as you can see, they signed up, but they didn't even spend $30 to get their $30 bonus yet. There's so many people right here. Okay, so I'm creating this tutorial to show you guys how to use Rakuten to make money. So here, as you see over here, I made $105 my lifetime in terms of referrals. And this quarter or so, since April, I did not make any money yet because all these people that signed up did not know how to use it, or maybe they're just waiting to buy something. I'm not sure. Here we go. So here goes my referral link. I'm going to put it, like I said, in the description below. You just click on it, sign up, spend $30, and then you get $30. So there's 3 ways that Rakuten pays you out. So let me click on my account, and you get paid through PayPal. You get a check in the mail, or American Express membership rewards points. To me, PayPal is the best because it's the fastest. It just links to your PayPal account and they'll deposit every 3 months. The check is very slow. Nobody really does checks anymore. But if you have to, you can. And American Express membership rewards points is really good too. First things first, when you create an account through my referral link, you're gonna see this page when you logged in. You will have to turn off any app blockers that you have in order to get paid. So how it works with Rakuten is they drop a cookie on the website to link Rakuten with your shopping trip. They call it a shopping trip whenever you go to a store, and that's how they link up that to make sure that you paid. Make sure that you bought something so you could get paid via Rakuten. So I use Ghost3 right now. I'm gonna pause it for an hour. Okay, if you have ad block, same thing, or any ad blocker, you could pause it or cancel it temporarily. So once you pause it, let me show you again. Once you pause it, it's already paused, but you have to refresh in order for your browser to recognize it. So I'm gonna refresh my Rakuten again. So I am ready. So for example, let's say I am going to buy something from the Warriors store. Okay. So if you notice on the Warriors jersey, they are sponsored by Rakuten. They're a really big company out here in the Bay. So right now, if you want to buy a jersey or anything from the Warriors shop, you get 10% cash back. So when you click on shop now, it's going to get a new window pop up, and it's going to link Rakuten with the website of the store that you're buying. So right now, 10% cash back activated. Give it a second, and it's going to activate. So my Chrome browser even shows that it's 10% cash back activated. I will talk about this Chrome browser later, but it just it's easier if you have the Chrome browser. But you start off before you install the extension. I said Chrome browser. Before you install the extension, then you go through the browser. But regardless, if you sign up, get the Chrome extension. It's really helpful. Okay, so this is 10% cash back now active according to the extension. Whatever it is you buy, you will get 10% back. For example, let's say you buy Let's say you buy this jersey. No, I don't want this jersey. Let's say you buy a regular jersey. Oh, Kevon Looney. Okay, let's say you buy this jersey, $150, right? So you add it to cart. You just buy it as if you're buying through the website regularly, of course. And then when you check out, you just make your payment when you check out. Okay, and let's say it costs $160 after taxes, for example. Then you get 10% back, and then you're gonna get it notified via email through Rakuten saying that, hey, you bought this from the Warrior Shop for $160, 10% back. You will get $16 back. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's basically it. You buy it, and then you will get notified by Rakuten showing that, hey, you made a purchase, and you will get whatever percentage back. There are so many stores through the Rakuten shop. They're mainly all the stores that I shop at, for example, Uniqlo, Nike, Adidas, GameStop, and so on. And you just buy things through there, and then there's certain percentage back on each store. Sometimes it's only like 2%, for example, at Michael's. Sometimes there's bonuses. So, for example, Nike, you get 10%, 12% back. Let me show you what I bought so far. So here goes. I click on shopping trips. So these are the shops that I visited, but I did not buy anything yet. But on June 2nd, I bought something from KiwiCo. So it was $76, and I got $3 back. It might take some time to reflect, but it will be there. Okay, so it's pretty cool. So like I said, the first $30 you spend, you will get $30 back. So this is how much I'm gonna make so far. I got $6.38 only for this quarter or so. So you get paid every 3 months. So whatever you buy, it adds up to your cashback balance. At the end of 3 months, you will get paid via PayPal, through a regular check, or American Express rewards points, whatever it is you choose. It's really, really simple. Okay, so once you set up your Rakuten account, then you could install the Chrome extension. I keep on saying Chrome browser, but yeah, you install the Chrome extension through the Chrome browser. Rakuten Chrome extension. Yep, you search on that. First one on here, you just install it. It's pretty cool because, yeah, make sure you install the right one. Yeah, 3 million users. Yep, make sure you install the right one because it will tell you, it will link to your account. It will tell you whatever website you search for shows your cash back. For example, let's say, I'm looking for some Air Jordans, and search an Air Jordan. It connects to the Nike website right here, and on the Google search engine, it will show that Rakuten has 12% cash back. So you just click on it. So in this way, when you install the Rakuten extension, you do not need to go through the Rakuten.com website and then click on Nike. You just go directly to Nike, and then you will get an alert right here. You just click activate. Remember, before you click activate, double check your ad block again. My ad block is still off. Okay, and then I just click activate 12% cash back. It's gonna go through the process. Same thing as clicking through their main website, and boom, you're activated for 12% back. And just go ahead and do your purchases, and then you will get cash back. Okay, really, really cool. Same thing, if you are not on the computer, you could download the Rakuten iPhone app or Android app. Same thing, same app or so. Just download it on your iPhone, iPad, or whatnot, and you just shop through. You just sign up, and you shop through their portal on your phone, and you get the same thing. It all links together. Super simple, and super convenient. So once you sign up for your account, you can make money also. So everybody gets a link, and right now it says from April 1st to June 30th, it's $30 for every referral, for every friend you bring. So right now, so you're gonna get your own code, so you could drop it in your Instagram or your YouTube channel if you have one, and whatever friends or family or anybody that clicks on your link and signs up, they sign up, they spend $30 through any website, and then they will get a $30 check, and you get $30 also. So I guess in my case, I have the potential to earn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about like 10, so about $300 if these people spend $30 and then they'll get their $30 and I get $30. Really, really cool. Cool way to make money. Just super simple. I haven't made that much money from referrals, only $100 so far, but hey, it's something. I'm using it to shop anyways, and might as well get a little bit of money back and maybe make some money if people use your referral code. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope this is helpful. Hope this is helpful for the people that sign up through my Rakuten links from my other videos. Please follow these instructions. Again, click on my referral link to sign up. If you haven't, spend your $30 and you make your $30, and I make $30 also. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.